Hi, this is Linda Donalds, and this year at the 2021 NGH convention, my virtual presentation will be Hypnosis for Adults and Teens with ADHD. This is a 2-hour workshop where you're going to gain new insight into the ADHD mind and find out how to work differently with teens and adults who have ADHD. During my presentation, I'm going to cover the following topics. How to structure an effective 6-session protocol to use with your clients that will address their key challenges and help improve their ADHD symptoms. We'll go over tips and strategies for inducing and deepening hypnosis in clients who have ADHD, plus several additional non-hypnotic strategies that can be interwoven into scripts or used as coaching points to help your ADHD client better manage their symptoms. This presentation is going to be best suited for those who want to know the facts about ADHD so that you can effectively help your clients. Working with clients who have ADHD is my specialty, and I very much look forward to sharing this valuable information with you at the upcoming NGH virtual convention this year. See you there.